Introducing LegittMate AI, your ultimate sales companion, the chatbot that's more than just a bot. It's your AI-powered sales team, website assistant, and lead generation expert all in one. Getting started is quick and easy. Train your chatbot using your website content, upload files, or provide raw text and custom Q&A pairs. And soon, integrations with Slack, Dropbox, and Drive will make training even more flexible. You're in control. Decide how many AI agents handle conversations and how many human agents step in for live chats. It's the perfect balance of automation and personalization. Make it look like it belongs. Customize the chatbots designed to match your website's appearance, keeping your brand consistent and professional. Once your chatbot is ready, embedding it is as simple as pasting a small JavaScript snippet. And with our intuitive dashboard, you can monitor visitor behavior and website analytics with ease. Sales associates get tools designed to save time and maximize impact. They can engage in live conversations, track which AI chats are gaining traction, and focus only on high-value visitors, ensuring their time is well spent. Our interactive map takes visitor monitoring to the next level. See where users are in real time, track their journey across your site, and filter to focus on the audience that matters most. Here's the real game changer. While your chatbot chats with visitors, it captures key lead data: email, name, phone, and interests, and logs it into our CRM or yours. And when sales associates step in, they can gather even deeper insights to seal the deal. Whether it's engaging visitors, capturing leads, or driving sales, this chatbot is your sales team's new superpower. Are you ready to revolutionize your sales game?